So, okay, so this story is the title of this story is The Selfish Giant. Okay, long ago. Okay, long ago, there was this big giant. Okay, so what is a giant? I mean, giant, really big and really strong, right? So there was this giant, and he was very selfish. So we need to actually read the story to understand why he was selfish. Okay, I'm not going to tell you right now why he was selfish. Okay, so so what happened is long ago he had gone to visit one of his friends in a place called Cornwall. Okay, it's far away from here. It's not anywhere near India. It's far away in a place near London. Okay, so there he went to meet one of his friends, and he was stuck there for 7 long years. Okay, for long 7 years, the giant went to meet his friend. So in his home, in his house, okay, there was this lovely garden. Okay, in this lovely garden, there were lots of trees and lots of fruits. Can you see those in Saurav Vision? Can you see little pink, red fruit on the trees? Can you see? Yes. So those were basically peach fruits. Okay. So peach is like a fruit which is like red in color outside, and when you cut it, when it's ripe, it's very tasty. Okay, and it's one of my mother's favorite fruits. So the children, they used to go to school every day, and whenever they came back, they used to go past this giant's house, and they used to enter this garden and play. But at that time the giant was not there, correct? So the children were free to play over there. They were not, nobody was there to basically stop them from playing in the garden. And the garden was so beautiful. It had so many flowers here and there which looked like stars. There were so many leaves. There were so many birds. Can you see the yellow birds and the black birds? They were all sitting on the trees singing. And it was so beautiful to hear the birds sing that the children used to just sit over there and listen to the birds. Got it? Yes? Okay, so now we will listen to the next part of the story, which Guneet is going to say, and we will see whether we will understand why the giant was really selfish. Okay.
Okay. So when the giant came back, he said, "What are you doing here?" He cried in very gruff voice. Do you know what is the meaning of gruff? Any one of you three? If you know, raise your hand. Do you know? Okay. So gruff means harsh, means heavy. That heavy voice, he just shouted on them that, "What are you doing here?" And the children get scared and ran away. And the giant said, my own garden, and no one can understand that, and I will not allow anyone to play it in it. That means he just said he was selfish, just like we know the title says. So he was selfish. Why? Because he was not letting the children play in his garden. He said strictly that it is garden and he won't allow anyone to play in it. So he built a high all around it and put up a notice board. So what was written in that notice board? Trespassers will be prosecuted. Do you know what is the meaning of trespassers? Anjali, Prajakta, do you know? You can unmute yourself. No? Unmute yourself and say, do you know what a trespasser? No. No? Okay. It is basically the person entering into someone's land or property without any permission. So he just put it into the notice board. As you can see it in the picture, that trespassers will not be allowed. It will be prosecuted. So he was a very selfish giant. Now you know that why he was selfish. So the poor children had nowhere to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was so dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. Obviously, children need good place to to play and to have some fun. So they used to wander around the high wall when their lessons were over and talk about the beautiful garden inside. They used to say how happy we were there. I mean, they used to feel that those were the time when they enjoy, they have the great time in that garden. So they used to miss it. They used to climb up the wall and used to think that wow, we had a great time, but now we are not able to go there. So then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. We know that spring is the best season, right? So only the garden of selfish giant, it was still winter. Strange, right? So the birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children and the trees forgot to blossom. Once the beautiful flower put its head out from the grass, as you can see in the picture, and they saw that notice board, it was written, and they felt so sorry for the children, and it got slipped back into the ground again and went off to sleep. That means no one wants to enter his garden because that garden was so, I mean, missing the children also. They felt bad. Did I just lost my video?
Yeah, I think it's you, Guni. We can hear you well.
Okay.
Yeah, and pictures are a little bit out of sync, I guess. No?
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
So, yeah. So the flowers were also not interesting blossoming over there because they saw that the giant was too selfish and they felt very sorry for the children. So the only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Okay, so frost, what's that? No? Say, unmute and say. Yes. What is that? Say. The meaning of the frost? Yes, ma'am.
So tell us what is frost?
फ्रॉस्ट का मीनिंग बताओ क्या है?
Okay, let me tell you what is frost. You go to your fridge. अपना घर पे फ्रिज है ना, वो फ्रिज ओपन करके, freezer open करके, what do you see on the top of the freezer, on the rafter?
So hail also came, and every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle. Rattled means anyone? No. Rattled मतलब knocking sound, बहुत heavy noise वो लोग मचाते थे. कहाँ पर? They used to make the rattle sound. Okay, and he broke most of the slates. That is strange, right? And then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could, and he was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. Okay, one question to the kids: what is he referred to over here? Please unmute yourself. Anjali. They lost the video again.
Oh. I think they are there.
Okay.
They are unmuted now.
What is he referred to? What is it talking about? If they're saying he, so what is he? I just said no that he was invited and then he used to rattle on the roof and he used to rush on around the garden as fast as possible. So what is he? Who are they referring to? At the last, what did I say? Any idea? Yes.
Are you able to follow the story? Any question?
समझ आ रहा है?
Okay, let me ask you one question. वो giant उसका दोस्त का घर को गया ना, कितने साल था उधर? हैं? कितने साल था उधर? पहला question.
Examination, exam time, exam time. Clue.
Okay, one
Give a
imagine.
clue.
Okay, 6 साल था. Okay, one imaginary question. We didn't tell you this, but you have to answer. How tall is the giant? कितना लंबा था वो giant? बहुत लंबा. Okay, very good. Now, okay, go ahead. Where were the children playing? Garden. Very good.
Very good.
And what trees were there? What trees? तो पेड़ है ना उधर? पेड़ हुआ ना उधर? कितना I mean कौन सा फल का पेड़ है वो? हाँ. ऑप्शन चाहिए. Apple, palm.
Orange, mango, peach. Peach? Peach, was it peach? Apple? नहीं, वो रेड था लेकिन वो पीच था. Peach. Okay. So what happened to the story till now, right? So we heard that the children were coming into the giant's garden and they were playing in the garden. But when the giant came back after visiting his friend, right? He did not like the kids. He did not like the kids to play in his garden, right? He was very selfish, right? He had such a big garden. He did not have his own children or he did not have anybody to play in the garden, but he still did not allow the other children who were so sweet, right? The children were so sweet. They wanted to play in the garden, but still he did not allow. So he was very selfish, right? Right? Will you like it if somebody tells you to, not play with friends or, do you like selfish people? Do you like making friends with selfish people? No, right? They won't share food with you. They won't share. They don't share anything with you, right? So what is selfish? Selfish is kind of only thinking about yourself, and it is not good to be like that. Correct? So yes. So then what happened is when these kids went out of when the kids stopped coming into this garden, right? The garden only had ice, a lot of snow, a lot of cold winds, right? So what does this symbolize? This basically means that because the big giant, right? Because the big giant was so selfish, nature. You know what nature is, right? Nature, the whole world around us. Nature did not want to give the giant happiness. Nature wanted to give only suffering to the giant because he was very selfish, right? So one day when the giant was sleeping and he wanted to be happy again. He wanted to see spring. Can you see the giant sleeping? Can you see the giant sleeping? He was sleeping and he was looking outside, okay, and he wanted to see flowers, he wanted to hear the birds sing. He wanted to see the flowers bloom on the trees. He wanted the snow to go away. He did not want the snow. He wanted the summer. He wanted sun to come. He wanted all the bad things to go and he wanted all the good things to come back to him. But will it come? No. Why? Do you know why? Prajakta, Anjali, do you know Devyani? Okay, Saurav is raising his hand.
I think they are frozen. Yeah, back.
Yeah, but Anjali, do you know? Why? Tell me why. Why do you think it's always snowing over there? Why do you think flowers don't want to grow in the giant's garden? Why do you think so? Do you know why? Because you know why? Because the giant was very selfish, right? So he was being so mean to the kids, right? So nature did not want to give him those flowers. So one day, when he opened his eyes, can you see that small brown bird over there? Can you see one small brown bird on the tree? So one day, when he opened his eyes, he saw this bird, and the bird was singing so beautifully. Okay, the bird was singing and singing, and the giant suddenly thought, "Oh my God, this is the most beautiful song that I have heard in such a long time." Right? It was snowing. There was no children. There were no birds. There was nothing in his garden. He was all alone. And being all alone, he was so unhappy, right? He was not at all happy. So when this bird came and the bird started singing, the giant became so happy. So when he looked out of the window, he if you can go to the next page, Saurav. Yes. So what can you see? Can you see over there on the back there is a wall, right? Can you see a small hole inside that? Can you see a small hole? Yes, right? So this was the big wall that the giant made, okay? So in this wall there was a small hole, and the kids started coming in. The kids started coming in, and they started playing on the trees. Can you see the tree smiling? Can you see the tree smiling? So look, so what happened? So when the kids came in, joy or happiness came back into the giant's garden. And when happiness came back into the giant's garden, the trees started to flower, trees started to give fruits, the birds came, the birds started singing. So everything became happy and everything around him became lively. So the giant was so happy. But when he when he looked very far away, if you can go to the next slide, Sarah. So when he looked very far away, he saw this small child. Okay, only in that part of the garden it was full of snow. It is full of snow, and the small child was keeping on crying. He was crying and crying and crying, and he wanted to get on top of the tree, but the tree was trying to bend so that the child could, jump on the tree, but still the child was not able to. So if you go, so what happened is when the giant saw this, right, the giant was very sad. The giant started crying. Why was I like this? Why did I shoo away the kids, right? I know why. Now I know why winter was always in my garden. Now I know why summer never came to me. Now I know why flowers never came to my garden. Now I know why the trees were so angry at me, because I was very selfish. And he understood that being selfish was not a good thing. Correct? Correct, no? So you're not supposed to be selfish. Okay? So now Saurav will take the next part of the story. Okay? Saurav, we can't hear you.
Sarah,
Saurav? Yeah.
hello, Sarah.
Think we can't hear him, right?
Yeah, what's up? What happened?
No,
Maybe you can stop the screen share and then try.
So till Saurav connects, do you want to say what you understood from the story, Anjali, Prajakta, Devyani, till now? What did you understand? Tell me a few lines. Tell me in 2 lines. Can you tell one more time?
Oh, they are all afraid of the giant, no? So everyone went away except for the little boy. He was still crying. You know why he was still crying? Because he was weeping and his eyes were all fully wet with tears and he couldn't even see the giant. He was crying so hard, "Ma," like that. Okay. So the giant went near him very softly and he lifted that little boy with his 2 hands and put him on the tree. Now what happened? Miracle happened. As soon as that little boy sat on the tree, no, that the snow and all melted away. Then the leaves came out from the tree. Then the flowers and fruits and everything was seen on the tree, and the tree itself was very happy. Then the birds came flying and sat around the tree, and they also started singing. It was very beautiful. The boy was so happy that the giant even helped him. Okay, so what he did, he hugged the giant and gave a kiss to him. The giant was like super happy because giant are like ghosts and all. No, they nobody ever have kissed that giant. And this little boy, because the giant helped him, no, he kissed him, and the giant had a very nice feeling. Okay, he was very happy, and he would remember it for a very long time. And now the other kids, they were hiding behind the trees and watching what is happening. No, they saw the giant helping the little boy. So now they know that the giant is their friend. So they all came out and they started playing. And in the whole garden, all the snow has gone away. Summer was there, spring was there, fruits, birds, and everything you could ask for. Everything was there. Okay, so everybody was very happy. Now the giant realized, oh, it is this wall that is preventing the kids from playing in my garden, and it is because of this wall that I was suffering with the winter all along. So he took his big axe and broke the wall down, tamal, tamal, like that. Okay, in no time the wall was broken, and the people were standing outside, and they could see the giant has become good now. Okay, so now they all see that, hey, he's our good neighbor giant. He is no longer a ghost that everybody is afraid of. And every day the children go to that garden and they play with the trees and the fruits and the giant. So it is like good company. You have a neighbor who is there, and we like going there and playing around, right? So the giant became a friendly neighbor for all the kids. So they were all going there every day after school and they were playing happily. Okay, and winter or summer, all the seasons, they last for a few months, right? And after that the summer is gone and now the winter is back. But now the giant knows that this winter is not going to be there permanently, because he is the kid's friend, and in 3 months time the winter will go away, and he is anxiously waiting for the summer to come back, right? Because when the summer is there, the kids will be there and everything will be good, no? So he was very much waiting for the summer to come back. But to his surprise, what he was seeing is he was lying down one day, and in that farthest corner, right, there was one tree where that little boy was trying to hop and climb. There, there alone, it was like green. The tree was green and it had leaves and there was fruit. And he couldn't believe. The giant was like winking his eyes like this and seeing, but it was all true. Yeah, rest of the garden it was winter, and in one corner he could see that little boy standing under the tree. Now he was very happy to see that little boy, because he was the only person who has kissed that giant, right? He has given a personal touch to that giant, and that little boy is somebody that the giant cannot forget for his lifetime, right? Now he goes near that tree and he finds that little boy, but as he goes near, he was like very angry. The giant's face became red and eyes wide open, and he was very furious. What happened to you? He asked, because he saw that the little boy's hands were bleeding. Bleeding hai to खून आ जाएगा उसके हाथ में. Okay, and he saw a hole there. Somebody had hit a nail on the hands of the little boy, and he asked, what happened to you? Tell me who did this to you, and I will slay them. Slay them matlab take like a knife and kill them. That is slaying. Okay, giant was angry because he loved this little boy very much. And now that little boy is bleeding and he couldn't even tolerate it. But the little boy said, "No, don't worry. These are wounds of love." Okay. But if a child is bleeding, right, they cannot have a calm face. They usually cry. But this little boy is now not crying, but his hand is still bleeding. Now the giant cannot believe himself. He is asking, "Who are you?" Now it's all miracle, right? The child is not crying though he is having blood, and only one portion of the garden is all like green, and he's asking, "Who are you?" And now the child reveals himself. Okay, that day I was suffering, and you came and helped me to get on this tree and be happy. Now I will show you what joy is. Come with me, and I will take you to the eternal paradise. You know what is eternal paradise? Heaven pata hai na? Heaven. So the child is none other than God himself. Why that hole, you remember, you can recollect? It is because it was Jesus Christ who came there as a little boy. Now that the giant is good and he has spent so much ages there, he wants to take him to heaven. Okay. And suddenly the giant realized a mysterious feeling hai to बहुत अलग feeling. It mixed with joy and sorrow. He doesn't know what to do. But the little boy held the giant's hand and took his soul to heaven. Then the body of the giant dropped there, Damal, and all the flowers from the tree, it fell on him. Then all the children, they came there and they could see the giant lying there dead. But he is no longer a sad giant. Okay, he is no longer a selfish giant. He was a giant who shared his garden and everything with the kids. Now he is a good giant and he had a peaceful death. And after death, God has taken his soul to heaven. We say, no, good people go to heaven. So likewise, because the giant was like a good person now, God himself came and took him to heaven. Okay, so that is the end of the story. And
Did
now
you like it?
you have to tell us what is the moral of the story.
Yes. Exam 2.
I guess Devyani can answer that. She is hiding behind the camera. Unmute karo.
Anjali?
Are they stuck?
Yeah, I think so. The middle girl's name is Anjali. Prajakta, right?
Everyone is Prajakta.
So did you enjoy the story? Have you heard the story before?
Yes.
You've heard the story before? Have you heard the story before?
Yes. पहले सुनी हुई है आपने ये स्टोरी? आपने ये स्टोरी पहले सुनी हुई है? देखी है।
फोन पे?
दिव्यानी आप भी आ जाओ कैमरा में। आपने सुनी है? कैसी लगी स्टोरी ओवरऑल? One more cutie in the camera.
This is my daughter. You want to say hi? Say hi. I was telling the story to her also, and she loved the story.
Moral of the story क्या है then? कौन बताएगा? Saurabh, you try to speak till then.
Sorry, Saurabh, we lost you at the critical point.
We still cannot hear you.
We can't hear you. Yeah. Okay. So what did you learn from the story? What all messages did you understand from the story? Tell. Tell us.
Anjali, Prajakta, can you hear us? We are not able to hear you. Oh, why? Yeah. I think we lost them again. They're back. Anjali, can you hear us? Very good. So if you
So
ask
who wants to share the moral of the story, or do you want us to say the moral of the story? Okay, so Swami, go ahead. Okay, so you have to be, so for you to be happy, right? You have to be good, you have to be kind, you should not be selfish, you should share things with your friends. And once you do all this, right, when you grow very, very, very old, no, you all go to heaven.
there is one Zinky Pinky Ponky types, hai na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the good children went to heaven. So something like that. So if you are good, you will go to heaven later. Okay.
Yes. Okay. क्या काम हम करते हैं? हम कंप्यूटर में काम करते हैं. कंप्यूटर में बहुत से रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं. रिपोर्ट, ठीक है? इसका what is your name? Aira. She's in UKG. बहुत छोटा है वो. 6 साल है. 6 साल. 6 years old.
आप लोग कितने साल के हो? और अंजलि और दिव्यानी?
Anjali doesn't like listening to stories. Does Anjali like listening to stories? I did not see Anjali smiling even once. I want to see Anjali smiling. I want to see Anjali smiling. Where is Anjali? Can you smile? Oh, sorry, you're Anjali. Sorry. Where is Prajakta then?